So here's problem number 1 from your homework. It is to create a net and then find the surface area of this triangular prism. I know it's a triangular prism because it has 2 congruent parallel bases. So it's a prism, and the bases are triangles, triangular prism. So I'm going to begin by drawing a net. And I think for this net, I'm actually going to start drawing it. Let's see. I guess I'll choose this back piece right here. That one in the back. So I'll draw a rectangle right here. And I'm going to start labeling my sides. 8 inches, that's going to be 8 inches as well. We're going to have congruence there. So I'll write in 8 inches. And what else do I need for that? I need this measurement, the width, and that says 5 inches here, so I'll write 5 inches. And then I'll write back, so I remember that I've got that. Next, I'll do the 2 triangles, because the triangles share an edge with that back piece. So I am unfolding it here and here. And I already have 5 inches, 5 inches. I know that that's 5 inches as well. I have also a 12 here, so that's going to be 12 inches, and I'll write it over here again, 12 inches. And there is a length of 13. I could write 13 here and 13 here. But if I'm going to find surface area, I have to realize that in order to find triangular area, I need 1/2 base times height. That measurement really isn't going to come into play when I'm trying to find area, so I won't write it. Next, I'll go ahead and get this bottom piece. There's an edge shared on the bottom piece here. So I'll draw that on the adjoining edge. That is 8 inches long and 12 inches wide. So I'm going to draw my 12 inches there. So I have my 8 by 12. And then last, which one haven't I done yet? I think it's this piece on the front needs to be drawn over here. So I will hinge that up since it shares the common edge. And then I'll look for its dimensions as well. It's 8, that makes sense. There's an 8 there, 8 there, 8 there, by 13. Now I need that measurement. That's gravity. That's that 13 over there. So I can now find the areas. 8 times 13. 8 times 3 is 24, 104. So this is 104 inches squared. Yeah. 8 times 5 for the back is 40 inches squared. 8 times 12, I happen to know that one, is 96 inches squared. Now 1/2 base times height. Half of 12 is 6, times 5 is 30 inches squared. 1/2 base times height of 5 is a congruent triangle, same shape, same area, 30 inches squared. And now we're going to add up all those together. So I have the 104 and the 96 gives me 200 inches squared. That's not how you spell 200. 200 inches squared. I've got a 30, and a 40. 60 plus 40 is another 100 inches squared. And if you add those together, you get 300 inches squared. I'm not sure if that's the right answer or not, so I'll check the back of the homework to make sure. 300 inches squared. Okay. It's always good to check your work. So that is surface area. We take the 3-dimensional object, turn it into a net, and then find the area of each individual polygon so that we have the surface area. All right.